Hi and welcome to another Delft Stack video. In this video, I will show you exactly how to factory reset your iPhone step by step. Before we begin, make sure you back up any important data because once the reset is complete, everything stored on the device will be permanently erased. Let's get started. The first thing you should do is create a backup of your iPhone. This ensures that your photos, contacts, messages, and other important data can be restored later if needed. You can back up your iPhone using iCloud or by connecting it to your computer. Once you have confirmed that your backup is complete, you are ready to move on to the next step. Before resetting your iPhone, you need to sign out of your Apple account. This is important because it disables Find My iPhone and removes activation lock, making the device ready for a new owner. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top of the screen, tap on your name to open your Apple ID settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and tap Sign Out. Your iPhone may ask you to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the action. Enter the password and continue. If you're planning to continue using the iPhone yourself but simply want to remove your Apple account, signing out is often enough. Your apps and most device settings will remain on the phone, although some Apple services and synced data may be removed, so we will sign out here to remove all the data first. Click on Sign Out but don't erase. When prompted, tap Sign Out again to confirm. Once the process is complete, your Apple ID will be removed from the device and Find My iPhone will automatically be disabled. Now that your account has been removed, it is time to erase all content and settings from the device. If this tutorial is helping you, make sure to subscribe to the channel Delft Stack for more easy-to-follow iPhone tutorials, tips, and troubleshooting guides. Return to the main settings screen. Scroll down and tap General. Inside the General menu, scroll all the way to the bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. You will now see several options related to resetting your device. Tap Erase all content and settings. A summary screen will appear showing the data that will be removed from the device. Review the information and tap Continue. If your iPhone is protected with a passcode, you will be asked to enter it. Type in your passcode to verify that you want to proceed. Depending on your settings, you may also need to enter your Apple ID password as an additional security measure. After confirming, the factory reset process will begin. Your iPhone will display the Apple logo and a progress bar while it removes all personal information and restores the device to factory settings. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on the device and the amount of data stored on it, but usually it only takes a few minutes. Once the reset is complete, your iPhone will automatically restart. After restarting, you will see the Hello Setup screen that appears when a brand new iPhone is first turned on. At this point, all your personal data has been removed and the device has been restored to factory condition. Now you know how to factory reset an iPhone safely and properly before selling it, giving it away, or starting fresh with a clean device. If you found this video useful, be sure to subscribe to Delft Stack and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.